Tributes paid to late drivers on the 29th Drivers' Day. Various unions observed the day across the valley. Minister Karam Sham says the drivers should be proud of their service to the people. Chief Minister Biren asserts that people need to follow in footsteps of Pandit Din Dayal Upadhyaya, who stood for India's unity. And the people celebrate a Makar Sankranti across the country, marking the end of winter harvest. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari with the top stories and the latest news at this hour. First up, people today offered floral tributes to the deceased drivers on the 29th Drivers' Day held at Interstate Bus Terminal ISBT Kumalampak today. Addressing the observance organized by All Manipur Road Transport Drivers and Motor Works Union, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham said the drivers should be proud of their service to the people and have self-respect. He appealed to the drivers' union to avoid steps that will affect the people whenever they face an issue. He urged the drivers to become good drivers. The minister also assured that the government will provide a site for the office of the union so that it can function smoothly. Karam Sham also advised the drivers to work sincerely and not to look down on themselves. He expressed unhappiness at the poor attendance of drivers at the event. Speaker at the event stressed the role of drivers in the society. They also urged the government to restore the Imphal GD Road, Lumding and Haflong Road to avoid inconveniences by the drivers. Attendees, including family members, offered floral tributes to the photos of late drivers. Karam Sham presented the Best Driver Award, which carries Rs 25,000 cash, sponsored by proprietor of Hairangoi Thong service station Mohindro to Salam Roman on the occasion.
Akoi ki life se driver de lai pusalai ba seng sak thau driver sing pura ga akoi sar ge hingine akoi na akoi gi ithau phajana tauraga miyam gi seba tauris da aina sauthok charoi dabagi maram kari lai bagi sin drivers in the war is there who like park loi khangi lai ngak pa sing ju khangi ati lambi da thong da that liver disturb tauriba moi degi di phubi ba chaibi ba lut tobi ba return toba even driver far ga pu ba nongoi caption ba question ba many problem face to ado akoi gi lai ba awa ba sing je solve to je hai taraga di Manipur da driver union se ama khak to oina punjal laga all Manipur gi oina lai raga di whatever demand adi moina demand over the Tagani.
Speaker Yumnam Khemchan today emphasized the importance of a role of drivers in the society. Speaking at the 29th Drivers' Day celebration at Ladikemba Makha Lekai Community Hall, the speaker said that drivers are very proud of their profession in developed countries. He asserted that those who choose to become a driver must be proud of their profession. He also assured that he will extend all possible support for the welfare of the driver community. Dr. Chinglen Meshnam of Manipur University said the profession must be well regarded as people in this profession drive in challenging terrains of national highways to bring in essential commodities to the state. He further said drivers play a significant role in strengthening unity in the state. Floral tributes were offered to the portraits of the late drivers at the event. The observance was organized by All Manipur Petroleum Tankers Drivers Union.
Istora koi kadi magsi mai magi tongan tongan masih mabam pilih ala kari thoba itu mabam ni masih dah tuan pas job ni itu kulit driver sendiri driver ini kadi umagala segi lengaki Mateng daga lakot ang dahil lagi sasan dia ako din ang tiyan mo ay isagi sakti manungga dahil magkana mateng sagi jadi papangundong mateng ay saruday lain ka din upang sige.
All Manipur Interstate Winger and Cruiser Drivers Welfare Union also observed the Drivers' Day. The event was held at the ground of Social Standard Club, Kurai, Nandai Bamlekai. Speakers at the event stated that people of both the hills and the valley depend on drivers who brought essential goods from other states. They stated that the drivers of Winger and Crusher also face many grievances while on duty. They appealed to people to respect drivers who played an important role in the society and urged the government to help the drivers and their families. People offered a floral tribute to the late members of the union. President of UCM Ilangbam Johnson and Amuko President PH Devan and SP Imphal East Kabib K were among those present at the event.
Bagi chilnau sing asi akoi awan nongai mayam si noi yaumi nagrabani haujisu muk Manipur gi issue se akoi haiba ngamde cancel lakpa yai masi gum mayam ase akoi thengnaba tabani aro thengnaba haibasima koi gi pukning da koi wakhal da koi gi chap yungba koi gi firip ama leira kanda koi leiba ki deba maktani miyam ki maktani khalla kanda koi thengnagadori bani
aduga airlifting gi kari gi khudong chabasichu aikhoida phangdaba aduga ising lambi gi haibasichu aikhoida leitabana maram oiraganda hairiba kangphal gi lambi sida aikhoi gi gari singna tata truck singna bus singna winger singna tongan tongan bamong da pushalaganda aikhoina ngasi miyoi kaya gi punsi si hingi haibada haiman bathoe.
Deputy Director of Transport Department B.K. Sharma said the drivers who serve the people should be considered as their guardians and never be ill-treated at any cost. B.K. Sharma was speaking at the 29th Drivers' Day organized by Indo-Burma Sugnu Road Drivers and Motor Workers Cooperative Society at Brahmapur Nahabam Laikai. He stated that the people should acknowledge the sacrifice of the drivers who toiled day and night regardless of harsh weather condition to serve the people to transport the basic necessities. B.K. Sharma appealed to drivers to perform their duties diligently and keep away from intoxicants and drugs. Floral tributes were offered to the deceased drivers at the event.
Drivers makhoi lingjen thongna se akhona masi bi thakat tabang amoi amodu salute tawdaba sunga yaroi haiba phamse ai yam chena thamjage noju nungsa awana chara hen ba hendaba tumba chaba khangdana akhoi praja singsi Manipur praja singi damakta chana ba thakna ba marakta harassment mayam security enforcement check post ki atop mapang gi lamgi Assam gi jaga ga Nagaland gi jaga ga awa kya mayok na ba lambi phatabagi khudong chadaba ado gari solakpagi gari gi part sinbagi mapu ga driver ga kayam warang ngani lambi phatabani na koi lambi si mostly am phatabani ko gise masi kom awana kya ji thengnaraga akoi mayam thakpi riba yokpi riba makoi sia akoi di makoi lai guru gumani ado imai pa gumani.
All Tankers Drivers Union Manipur also observed the 29th Drivers' Day at the Malom Oil Depot. Proprietor of Mayai Lambi Service Station and Imphal Oil Agency, S. Menant, recalls the unfortunate incident of the 1989 where a driver died on duty. He said thousands of aggrieved drivers protested at Koirenge airfield for 7 days against the incident. He calls for a good relationship between drivers and truck owners to motivate drivers in discharging their duty. Manager of Malom Oil Depot, D. Maring, appealed to drivers to avoid alcohol while on duty.
Thamoi sengna aikoi culture se utpa darkar lai alda aina sengna haijaningi de nungsikraba aikoi gi driver isin nausi aduga laiwi khaba aikoi gi nungsijarbu mayam singna i khudum libo oina driver amagi sinse akoi sengna honor topsi ikai khumna bo utsi makhoi ijat pise adugi damakta aikoi na nasigi
Sip Sena Manipur State Unit honored the deceased drivers who served the state on the occasion of a Drivers' Day today. They also appealed to the government to deploy National Highway Protection Force for the security of the drivers. Speaking to media persons at the party office in Babupara, President of the party, M. Tombi, urged the government of Manipur to look into illegal tax collection on national highways. He also expressed a hope that the BJP-led government will initiate works for the welfare of the drivers.
पोलम पुनमक पुबला को मतमदा पैसा पियु यादरग गाड़ी लोक इंधबा गाड़ी मई थाबा पैसा पियु यादरग ममाई द ब्लू लेम कामसल हाटपा मिहा थिन हाटखिबसिंग से मसे मसे मसुमाइन तोना फ्रेमवर्क एग्रीमेंट एनएसीएन की फ्रेमवर्क एग्रीमेंट सेंटर न लुम न लौरी बदो मदमाइन तौदना शिव सेना न ngasi हाजरी बचे मणिपुर मियाम की अरुबा समस्या सिंगी मनुंगदा मसिसु अमने न अथु मतम द नेशनल हाईवे प्रोटेक्शन फोर्स थंबियो तोंगान बा संस्थान कांगबु पुनमक की इलीगल टैक्स मयाम सिना लुपा 10 पीब पोत 10 यौरबा 10 पीब पोत 90 यौरबा मसी भोगद सरकार न तासनदन उसनदन लेबैसे मसी मियाम की यहुं ngaibni haibase मसी शिव सेना की मैकेदी थमजरी.
Chief Minister Nongthomam Birane today asserted that people need to follow in the footsteps of leaders like Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya, who advocated integral humanism to instill the idea of unity among the people. Birane also asserted that the politics should always go together with the philosophy of nationalism. The Chief Minister was speaking at the prize distribution of state-level essay writing competition held on October 1st last year, organized by Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya Birth Centenary Celebration Committee at the BJP office at Nithya Park, Chutek. The winner of the competition, Nahakwam Jebeto of CC Higher Secondary School, was presented with cash prize of 20,000 rupees, citation and certificate, while the second prize, which carries 15,000 cash prize, was shared by Ketrimayum Chinglembuo of Victory High School and S. Hironika of Harvard School. El Memi of Anandpur School, who backed the third position, was presented with rupees 10,000 cash, citation and certificate. The essay competition was held on the theme Life and Contribution of Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya towards Nationalism.
BJP ने लापगी रोइना ना दिल दयाल जी की अगुंबा लोट लगा थमुबा मगुल मयाम अमा इखोइदा खंगे उसे ममांग दसु तौगी दिल दयाल जी कनानो है ना इखोइदा बो क्वेश्चन तो he was a freedom fighter करम freedom fighter one India की खेनाबले इतबा दुंबा ngasi Prime Minister Modi जी ने लाइबा one India Amit Shah जी ने लाइबा one India है वो अक्लसिदा foundation पिरम बदुंबा leaders अखोगी लीडर्सिंग अखोगी निंगथौसिंग अखोगी लेबाक सेंबिरम अखोगी सेंबि साबिरम मयामसे खंग दरकार ले अखोई मखोगी खोंगुन लीब दरकार ले मखोगी मफम मखोगी चलम बलंबी द अखोई मगे फुट स्टेप टू द अखोई फॉलो तो दरकार ले अदु कंदद द अखोगी लेबाक सिगी वननेस अमटोगी वखलोंदु सागत पंगमगनी.
Education Minister Thokchom Radhishama today inaugurated an e-campus of Times Institute of Management and Technical Studies. The institute, situated at the North Gate of Manipur University, Manilai Colony, offers various courses including robotics to the students. Speaking on the occasion, the Education Minister said the newly opened center will facilitate advanced learning to students. He urged students to acquire maximum knowledge of management and technology from the center. Director of Education S. Thokchom Kiran Kumar and CEO Times Institute of Management and Technical Studies Rajkumar Sarma were among those present at the event.
Without management and technology, it is going to be very difficult for us to lead a meaningful life. Aduna education, high management, aduga technology yaudragadi life has become very fast, very competitive. So if you don't know how to manage, and if we do not know how to use the technology, we cannot become successful persons, and also it is going to be very difficult for us to lead a meaningful life.
In an awkward incident, Health Minister L. Jayantakumar, who was to flag off a car rally as a chief guest, left the venue after the organizer failed to turn up on time. Minister L. Jayantakumar arrived at the venue of the flagging off ceremony of NEFIT India and Asian Roadshow cum Friendship Car Rally organized by Northeast Federation on National Trade at the Kangla Gate around 9 this morning. The minister and the media person present to cover the event left the spot after none of the organizers turned up. When the media person asked the people at the Kangla, they said they have no information about any event taking place there. One Chinese hand grenade was found at the gate of MS Anti-Enterprises Lubricants and Greases at North AOC around 9:20 this morning. A team of Imphal police station rushed to the spot as soon as they received the information. A bomb disposal squad removed the bomb from the spot and exploded it at Lumphel dumping at 10:30 a.m. Education Minister Thokchoma Radheshama today released the calendar of Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA State Mission Authority for the year 2018 at Kanchipur. Releasing the calendar, the minister said a new significant features of the yearly activity of the Education Department and academic curriculum activity of government schools for the year 2018 have been added to the calendar. A video on the right to education RTE was also released to create public awareness. The 10th Salana Jalsa annual budget meeting and 6th Dasta Bandi for completion of Haziz was conducted today for the students of Madrasa of Yeripok, Ningthongai. Mahut Minister Thongnaujam Sham Kumar, Jiribam MLA Muhammad Asab Uddin and Vice Principal of Darul Ulum Markaz Lilong Azaz, Maulana Muhayuddin Mazahiri attended the ceremony. Nambol Block Congress Committee felicitated the elected members in Panchayat election at Nambol Congress Bhavan. Speaking at the function, Nambol MLA and Loken questioned the BJP-led government if it has been able to keep the promises it made to the people if the BJP came to power. Loken said the promise made by the BJP-led government of Manipur to provide drinking water to each household by 2022 will be a far cry as only rupees 40 lakh have been allocated for the Nambol constituency for supply of potable water.
Two thousand 22. Nasi kita hendak ditam sini. Yang dia hendak kita ina budget tayar bagi Nambol kendra kita ina budget tayar bagi semua kita lupa lagi puya web. Sana bar water supply scheme sini pipe line yang kita semua kita lupa lagi pu. Aku lagi saya mana lagi pu orang tadi. Aku saya mana itu lupa pu. Ani kata ni.
Thoubal District Police Commander arrested a cadre of KCP Noyon Group. The cadre is identified as Soibam Alex Elias Punsiba, aged 21 years, son of Ito from Tekcham, Mayailekai. Sources said Alex was arrested yesterday by a team of Thoubal Commando and 6 Assam Rifles during a search operation at Tekcham, Mayailekai. A team of Narcotic Affairs and Border NAP yesterday arrested a person with 195 grams of heroin number 4 estimated to be worth around rupees 4 lakh from Wahangbam Lekai GD parking during noon. The arrested person is identified as Mohammad Alir Uddin, aged 51 years, son of Formas Ali from Nungsek Punji of Churachandpur district. District Police Commando Thoubal along with personnel of 6 Assam Rifle arrested a vehicle lifter. The person is identified as Mohammad Wahi. Sources said he was arrested with a .32 pistol with 1 live round yesterday near the Lilong Arapti bridge. SR Institute of Manipur Studies organized a one-day discussion today at the State Central Library Archive Hall to make Imphal City as a satellite town and to set up an Asian university in Manipur. Resource persons during the discussion highlighted the problems to be faced by Imphal City due to the increasing population and number of vehicles if the city is not developed into a satellite town. They felt that the setting up of an Asian university will solve the problems of students who have to go to other states to seek admission and provide employment.
एशियन यूनिवर्सिटी लागदी अखोई लाइक तम खोपदसु मसिना याना मतेंग पांगदब अदगी अमना यूनिवर्सिटी लेरब मतमददी अखोई ऑटोमेटिकल है तारे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर मैम लाकनी अदना अखोई इकोनॉमिक कंडीशन फगतकनी अद सुगम एम एन ऑब्जेक्ट है तारे मसिदगी मणिपुरदसु अखोई ऑनरेबल एजुकेशन मिनिस्टर ना हाइबीखिबा अदुदा सपोर्ट तोबो इन है तारे अखोई मणिपुरदसु अथुबा मतमदा अखोई एशियन यूनिवर्सिटी अमा लिंगननाबा होनबा है तारे अखोई डिमांड कमिटी अमा सेमगे अदुगी पांदमदा अखोई ngasi discussion se pangthokjabani.
Meitei Nationalist Organization in a press release said the illegal Muslim migrants from Kasar, Silchar, Bangladesh and Myanmar have no rights in the state. The organization said they have no problem in providing equal rights to Meitei Pangal, however, they cannot accept illegal migrants. It's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you reports on Makar Sankranti celebrated today across the country with different names. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. Makar Sankranti is celebrated today across the country, and the festival is seen as a celebration of the end of the winter solstice month and also mark the end of winter harvest. The festival is known with different names in different parts of the country. President Ramnath Kovind greeted the people on the occasion. In his message, the president said these festivals are associated with harvest and are a moment to celebrate the hard work and enterprise of millions of farmers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi also greeted the people on the festivals. In a tweet, Modi hopes that the festival bring immense happiness, harmony and good health in everyone's lives. Thiam Nandalal of Johnstone Higher Secondary School bagged the first place in the Individual Model Exhibitor category in the Eastern India Science Fair 2018 and won the Acharya J.C. Bose Challenge Trophy. Nandalal created the John 17 robot with waste materials. Besides Nandalal, many students from Manipur also bagged prizes in different categories in the fair. Tokchom Sagar, R.K. Devi Sana and C.H. Kaute won the science quiz competition. C.H. Kaute from Don Bosco School, Churachandpur, bagged the first place in marks making. Tokchom Sagar of Bishnupur Public School, R.K. Devi Sana from Sacred Heart School, Porumpat in pattern making. Nomaithem Langlen of Mega Manipur School, Florence Nengviyangbang Baite from St. Mary Higher Secondary School of Churachandpur, Chihanla Keishing from Fungyar Higher Secondary School won the special prize as model exhibitors. All Manipur Students Union has appealed to the authority to look into the organization of talent search examinations as a business by some unauthorized bodies. Speaking to media persons at his office on DM College campus, Vice President of AMSU, Peter Lystrom, said there is apprehension that the organizations are deceiving the students to earn money. He said, if the authority does not look into the matter immediately, the education system in the state will face many problems. Peter said, an organization called Angradized Humanitarian Institute tried to hold talent search examination for class 5 to 10 at DM College of Commerce today, and scuffle broke out on the campus as the organizers do not show off on time. He said, when the volunteers of AMSU investigated the matter, it was found that the examination was postponed as today is Driver's Day and that it is rescheduled for the 21st of this month. Peter maintained that the organization has been banned for conducting any other examination for not notifying the students on time.
Aggrandized Humanitarian Institute na asigumlaba competitive exam sinba asi handakisina aroiba oina sinba haina yamsuga yanare adu unauthorized organization singna haiba asigumlaba competitive exam satragi mamal yamlaba exam asigumba unauthorized una silakpada the school singi authority sing college ki center pigadaba authority sing aduga parents aduga mahiroi sing nasu fazana monitor tawbiraga recognize oiba adugumbagi competitive exam doina yaubina ba haina MSU gi site gi appeal tawri.
Socialist Students Union of Manipur (SSUM) in a press release demanded an inquiry against the principal in charge of Lilong Haurebi College, Mohammad Sahifur Rahman, to resolve the issues facing the college. Popular Front of India distributed scholarship as a part of its nationwide program. State unit of the front distributed the first-term scholarship at its office for the year 2017 to 18. State Unit President Wahidur Rahman said the scholarship was started since 2011 to help the students belonging to minority community pursue higher education. All Manipur Women's Association today observed the 86th birth anniversary of its founder, President Rajkumari Mukhara. It may be mentioned that Rajkumari Mukhara played an important role to promote the status of women in the society. People offered floral tribute to her portrait at the observance held at Purana Rajbari, Ngomebung. During her time, Mukhara set up an all-age home for women at the association's complex. The association has been providing shelter to divorcees and destitute women at its Swadhar Grey and working women from different parts of the state who are working at Imphal at Khongnang Devi Working Women's Hostel. Well-known playwright Naurem Kalimohan from Kokching Ningthaulekai passed away following an illness yesterday. Members of Sahitya Seva Manipur, Kokching, condole his demise at the condolence meeting held at the residence of the deceased and observe a 2-minute silence in the honor of the departed soul. Members of a WhatsApp group, Hairok Forum, extended financial assistance to Laishram Borchandra, aged 32 years, the son of late El Modhu of Hairok Tomal Makong in Thobal district, who has been bedridden. President of the group, Moirangthem Tomba, said Laishram Borchandra has been bedridden for the last 3 years. He further said, doctors at Rahman Hospital, Guwahati found that his condition will be improved after an operation as he suffered injury in the spinal cord. Tomba said the financial assistance given today was contributed by members of the group and that they will continue to extend financial help to the needy people. Kids Winter Break Camp, a month-long non-residential children camp which kicked off on December 18 last year, concluded today at the indoor hall of TDTTA Thobal today. Children who took part in the camp took out a rally under the banner Luna Nana Thamsi Amadi Trafiki Niyom Ngakna Chatsi. Activities such as drawings, hiking, coloring, painting, handwriting, singing and dancing, medical and dental checkup, computer handling, speaking English, and sightseeing tour and interaction program between the children and eminent personalities were held at the camp. Certificates were distributed to 35 students from 5 to 13 years who attended the camp. Khangabok MLA Okram Surjakumar, co-coordinator of Huri Tech, Biswajit Akoijam were among those present at the closing event. Pongal, which is one of the major festivals of Tamils, was celebrated at Sunrise Club Ground at More today. The 3-day annual Pongal festival is organized by Tamil Sangam More. For the consecutive 50th time, the celebration is sponsored by Tamil Sangam More. The celebration was attended by people belonging to different communities living in the border town. Seasonal crops and vegetables were offered to the god. On the last day of the celebration, a religious ritual will also be held at the Ima Kodong Lairinbi. Kangleipak Thangta Cultural Association to organize a one-day Thangta festival at the hall of the association in Lighting Park, Imphal East today. Artists from a sixth Thangta organization performed Thangta at the festival held under the sponsorship of Ministry of Culture. Speaking at the festival, a director of Theatre Mirror Manipur, Naba Warepa, said, Thangta is a major art form of the state. He said, the age-old art form has connection with the lifestyle, discipline and tradition of the state. He said, Manipur has a history of being an independent state in Southeast Asia because of Thangta. He expressed concern that the art form has now been trivialized in today's world. He said, Thangta is a martial art for self-defense but not an art to kill people. Naba said it is a responsibility of the people to preserve and promote this unique art form. A torch rally was taken out last night demanding a handing over of Pravish Chanam, a murder case, to CBI and arrest of the culprit at the earliest. The torch rally, organized by People Action Committee of the brutal killing of Pravish Chanam, covered Khongman Zone 4, Singjamai and Bhamo Laikai. It may be mentioned that the dead body of Pravish Chanam, who was a student, was discovered at Greater Noida, UP on September 8 last year under suspicious circumstances. Convener of the committee, Fulen, said the person responsible for his death has not been arrested yet. He condemned the attitude of the people of mainland India towards the people of northeastern region.
Hojipauda akhoi Rajnath unare Rajnath hai singasi tarani muktangdi yengbigo khotko haibani adu madu mangna pen bangamde International Ryan School Gurgaon da lebagi dimya se September 9 da thokibaduna thadu mukta da CBI da sinara case pura losingiba do notice people da ngasi soiba thamoi sidi masidi ta sengna Bharat gi tongana inthopane lawe Hojipauda akhoi Rajnath unare Rajnath hai singasi
20th Sector Assam Rifles of 39 Assam Rifles distributed a solar panel including 10 solar luminous sets, LED light and a battery to the village authority of Saluk village in Chandel district on the 12th of this month. A friendly football match was also played between 26 Assam Rifles and SSSA Sangai Yumpham at Thobal football ground, and the match was drawn by 3-3. The pre-production ceremony of Tangjabi Matabak, a new production of Lamjingba Artists Association, was held today. Arun Kumar Laishram is the script writer and Padma Shri awardee Naba Warepa is the director of Shumang Lila, which will take part in the festival to be organized by Manipur State Kala Academy from the 20th of this month. Tangjabi Matabak revolves around the lives of orphans at children's homes and child trafficking. Senior Sumang Lila artists Lai Ibotombi, Hamlet, Basan Lukok, El Boy and Surendro are the cast of the Sumang Lila. One-day workshop on jazz and Zumba fitness was held today at Sangai Hotel and Nagampal, Lamabam, Laikai. The workshop was organized by Gym Fitness located at Nagamapal. Dancer of Navadara India Dance Theatre, a Mumbai-based dance theatre, Bishajaran Sapam gave a lesson on international dance forms at the workshops. Now the news. Ex-Polo Club Wangkai Thangmaiban Youth Polo Club and Tentha Polo Club have won the 34th Men's State Polo Tournament, 13 Women's State Polo Tournament and Under-16 Boys State Polo Tournament respectively. In the final match of the 34th Men's State Polo Tournament, Ex-Polo Club Wangkai beat Manipur Police Sport Polo Club by 4-3 and it was awarded a cash prize of 30,000 and a certificate and a trophy. While Manipur Police Sport Polo Club Team B, which backed the runners-up title, were awarded a cash prize of 20,000, a certificate and a trophy. Winner of the Women Polo Tournament, Thangmaiban Youth Polo Club, was presented with 15,000 cash prize, a certificate and a trophy, while the runners-up, K&M Memorial Riding School Singjamai, was presented a cash prize of 10,000, a certificate and a trophy. The winner of the Under-16 boys tournament, Tentha Polo Club, and the runners-up were presented a certificate and a trophy and a cash prize of 10,000 and 5,000 respectively. Selma MLA H. Dingo, President of All Manipur Polo Association, Dr. K. Sarachandra, and members of the association witnessed the closing event. 25 polo teams took part in the tournament organized by All Manipur Polo Association. The 17th district level sub-junior boys football tournament Sena Cup kicked off today at Kakching Wairi Kunjampat ground. In the first match of the tournament, AIFA defeated SAO by 2-0. Cyclone Thangmeiban and the Model Club Chingamaka defeated their rivals in the first Haibok T20 cricket tournament today. The tournament was organized by Langthabal Sporting Club under the aegis of Manipur Cricket Association at Langthabal Public Ground. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Tributes paid to late drivers on the 29th Drivers' Day. Various unions observed today across the valley. Minister Karam Shan says that drivers should be proud of their service to the people. Chief Minister Biren asserts that people need to follow in footsteps of Pandit Din Dayal Upadhyaya, who stood for India's unity. And the people celebrate Makar Sankranti across the country, marking the end of winter harvest.